Welcome. So here's the unique paper code. Name of the paper is Vedic Maths 1. It's a VAC course. It's for semester 1 to 4. The maximum duration is 1 hour and maximum marks is 30. Guys, remember to read all the instructions before attending the question paper. Okay, here's the question number 1. Let me zoom it for you guys. It's very difficult for me to read such questions, so just see in the screen. Okay, it's not that easy to read such questions. As for question number 2, a Vijay school is dash dash kilometer away from his house. One day while coming back, school bus broke down and after covering dash dash kilometers distance, Vijay covered the rest of the barefoot. Find how much distance Vijay walked through. And as for question number 3, here's the B part. You can see that. Okay, you have to find 42 cube and 361 whole cube. Okay, that's for question number 3. Complete the following table with both their numbers of the respective angles. Here's the table. As for its B part, it's right here. Let me just give me a second. Here's B part. Couple is a shopkeeper who sell beads mala. In last 1 month, he sold 88 malas containing 91 beads each, and 91 malas containing 93 beads each. If each cost of beads cost rupees 1, then find the total cost of the beads. Okay, as for question number 2, you can see on the screen, you have to find the whole root of these 5-digit whole number, and for second part, factorize the quadratic equation. You can do this easily. And B part, state Bodhayana theorem. Explain it with suitable diagram. Thank you. If you guys want any of the PYQs of any other subject, do mention them in the comments. I will post them as soon as I can. And subscribe to my channel for more DU content and stuff. Bye for now.